Good day everyone, this is Harry from Start Quick Tech. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share how I started my cloud journey, and I hope you can find out the fastest learning path into cloud computing which suits you best. Nowadays, you should notice cloud compute has not just started, it has almost dominated the IT industry. No matter you're a developer or tester or even anyone who has no technical background, but as long as you want to get started with cloud technology, I believe this video can help you find out the direction. When I first started learning cloud, I've got lots of questions. Let me brief them into three. What, why, and how. Let's get into them. So what is cloud computing? If you Google it, there are always tons of different explanations. Based on AWS definition, cloud computing is the on-demand delivery of IT resources over the internet with pay-as-you-go pricing. Instead of buying, owning, and maintaining physical data centers and servers, you can access technology services such as computing power, storage, and databases on an as-needed basis from a cloud provider like Amazon Web Services. This sounds too conceptual maybe, right? Let's have a look at an example. In the old days, if you want to build a website, you need to rent a physical machine or call a server hosting company to host your website like this. You build your website, database, storage, all in it. The CPU, memory of the machine you rent are all fixed, and in most cases, you need a fixed-term contract with them as well. With the fast growing of your business, you may need to have more machines to handle the high volume of night traffic, but you have to pay another fixed price for added resources. Also, you realize your website is almost idle during the daytime, but you are still paying a lot for them. Was it good? Absolutely not. So with cloud technology, now we get everything done by them. AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, and lots of other cloud providers. What you need to do is just to create a virtual machine and build your app and deploy it and show it to the world. You can get it done just via the user portal or console. You can set the schedule for the scaling and the cloud provider will help you sort it out. You can terminate your website anytime you don't want it. Other than this, you don't have to care about the physical machine anymore. There will be someone work like him to look after the data center for you. Next question, why do you or we need to learn cloud computing or technology? Cloud is now everywhere. It did help business grow much faster. Okay, let me be honest. For me, it is just a higher paid job where I could say if I don't, I may not be able to keep my job. Nothing else. Ask yourself if you want the same thing. Then, how should we start and keep learning? First, motivate yourself. Think about the answer to the last question and ask yourself, keep moving. Second, pick up a cloud provider and choose a basic certificate. Start with the course. This is not a net here, but I would recommend AWS based on my own experience. If you have no technology background, start with Cloud Practitioner. But if you are already a developer or you'll learn computer-related courses in uni, just start with Solution Architects Associate. I'm not saying passing these exams meaning you are qualified, but just during the learning process, you should have a comprehensive understanding of how cloud works. Regarding the courses, there are tons of good ones on Udemy and YouTube. Just get one with awesome reviews. I used the course from A Cloud Guru for Solution Architect 4 years ago, and I gave it a 5-star. Lastly, which is the most important one, please subscribe my channel and I will share all my knowledge and hands-on experience via 5 to 10 minute videos regarding the cloud, coding, data, DevOps, etc. Also, if you like this video, please give me a thumb up and leave your valuable comments and I'll keep improving the content. Let's just quickly go through the key concepts about cloud technology, and hopefully this could help you find out the shortest learning path. I will still take AWS as an example. AWS now has more than 200 different services, which are included in over 20 categories, but I would suggest you start from compute, storage, database, network, and security identity. For compute, start from building your own EC2 instances to host a website. Also, play with Lambda function with your preferred language to understand what serverless computing means. For storage, AWS has many different types of storage options, but the most popular three are S3, EBS, and EFS. S3 is for object storage service, which is used for storing data in an organized hierarchy. EBS is elastic block storage, and you can consider it as high-performance physical hard drive, which is accessible to a single EC2 instance. EFS means Elastic File Storage, which is scalable and can be mounted to multiple EC2 instances. For databases, AWS provide RDS, which is a relational database service, and DynamoDB, which is NoSQL database. For network, you should know VPC, which is short for Virtual Private Cloud. You should know Elastic Load Balancer and see how it is used to handle requests. Also, CloudFront is the AWS CDN service, which securely delivers content with low latency and high transfer speeds. Route 53 is AWS DNS service, which can also help you build highly available applications. For security and identity, there are lots of different services, but here I just want to emphasize IAM, which is short for Identity and Access Management. It provides very strong capabilities to manage identity and access to AWS services and resources. Obviously, services above are just part of the AWS cloud services, but they are all related to the key concepts of cloud world. Also, these are the most popular AWS services that I have been using every day in my job. In the next videos, I'm going to walk you through how to build a web application on AWS, and you can subscribe my channel and turn on notifications for the latest content. If you think this is helpful, click the like button to show your support, which is the significant motivation for me to share more. Thank you everyone, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.